Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Make sure you have your notepad and pen because we are about to begin. We are going to be doing the flashcards for Basics of Chemistry. Let's begin. What term applies to all living things and those things that were once alive? Gasoline, synthetic fabrics, plastics, and pesticides are all considered organic because they are manufactured from metals, minerals, water, air, and ammonia are all examples of blank substances. Organic chemistry is the study of substances that contain the element Which of the following is defined as anything that occupies space, volume, and has mass, weight? There are 118 different elements known to science today. How many of these are naturally occurring on Earth? Which of the following are the basic building blocks of all matter? Blank is the most common element found in the known universe. An example of an elemental molecule is as the basic unit of matter. Blank cannot be divided into simpler substances by ordinary chemical means. Rusting iron and burning wood are examples of a change in what type of properties? What chemical compound can exist in all three states of matter depending on its temperature? An example of physical change is in hair lightening processes. What substance oxidizes the melanin pigments in hair, leaving the hair a lighter color? An example of a chemical change is blank refers to either the loss of oxygen or the addition of hydrogen. When using a permanent wave neutralizer, when oxygen is combined with a substance, the substance is oxidation and reduction always occur simultaneously and are referred to as a and blank reaction. What type of chemical reaction requires the absorption of energy or heat from an external source for the reaction to actually occur? Which of the following is an example of a pure substance? Blank, also known as alkali, are compounds of hydrogen, a metal, and oxygen. What color do acids turn blue litmus paper? A blank is a stable, uniform mixture of two or more mixable substances that is made by dissolving a solid, liquid, or gaseous substance in another substance. Which of the following allows oil and water to mix or emulsify by reducing surface tension? An example of a water in oil emulsion is blank are examples of emulsions used in barbering services. A blank is a suspension of one liquid dispersed in another. A blank charged ion is called an anion. The pH scale measures the concentration of hydrogen ions in acidic and alkaline blank solutions. What does a pH below 7 indicate? The letters pH denote blank, which is the relative degree of acidity or alkalinity of a substance. Non-aqueous solutions such as alcohol or oil do not have What is the average pH for hair and skin? Acidic solutions tend to blank the hair. Acid-balanced shampoos and normalizing lotions associated with hydroxide hair relaxers work to create what type of reaction? What common cationic ingredient is used in dandruff shampoos? What type of shampoos are mild formulations designed to prevent the stripping of hair color from the hair? Blank shampoos are formulated to make the hair smooth and shiny and to avoid damaging chemically treated hair. An example of an instant conditioner is a Which of the following are chemical compounds that attract and retain moisture from the atmosphere? What products are used to stimulate the surface circulation of the scalp, remove loose dandruff, or to impart manageability, shine, and control to the hair? Concentrated protein conditioners are used to Which of the following remove hair by pulling it out of the follicle? Styling aids typically consist of polymer and resin formulations that are designed to give the hair body and texture. An example is among the possible ingredients in wrinkle treatment creams are hormones and Astringents may have an alcohol content of up to what percentage? Moisturizing creams are designed to treat This concludes the flashcards for Basics of Chemistry. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and if you would like more information on classes, visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.